Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll be giving the message, the love message from your person at last. King of Pentacles, Death, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, King of Wands. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel you are just happy how things are manifesting in your life. You have achieved a lot in your work and in your relationship, and you're really happy for how things are going, guys. With you, you are tasting success in everything, and you feel the sense of accomplishment in your heart, contentment, and for some of you all, you may get some good messages from somebody, from some friends or family. Maybe they are having a child, something concerned with that, or something concerned with studies, some important information. Maybe you're pursuing higher studies, so some happy news regarding that, or some of you may even be trying for scholarships, and you may get that, guys. So you are achieving whatever you are working for, and maybe a few of you all, you are just thinking about your course of action, what you need to do in life, what you need to achieve, and you are clearly making those choices today, guys. You are clearly what to say, understanding what is your goal and what is the path to reach that goal, and you're making that clever decisions today, what you need to do in life, guys. And for some of you all, you may have some kind of minor sickness, guys. Something very minor, like a mild cold or cough, something of that sort, maybe even a headache or just tiredness, something. You may have some minor issue with your health, but overall, in your work, you feel you're very successful, and even in your relationship, you love this person and they honor you, and you have this good compatibility, attraction, and affection in this relationship. And maybe you are planning to have marriage with this person. Both of you all are planning for wedding. That may also be the energy here, guys. So that may be coming in very quickly, guys. Your marriage or whatever you're planning, it may succeed. So that is the energy here, Sagittarius. So whatever you're thinking and contemplating about the path of your action, you are going to have the strength and courage to pursue that and achieve that. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards. What is the energy here? Bouquet, Moon, Cross, Rider. Again, guys, just like I said, you are getting some good news, some important message today that may be for your advantage, something you are benefiting from. Maybe somebody, some people from your life, maybe your person or family, someone older than you, your elders or your siblings, someone older than you, is giving you valuable counsel about your work. some financial investments or this relationship. They may be counseling you, guiding you guys. You may feel a certain authority with this person, that they are dictating terms with you, maybe for some of you all. And you are what to say, feeling some kind of responsibilities, guys. Maybe this may be due to this relationship, or how your life is going on. Maybe you are succeeding in your work, you are in the, what to say, deciding phase of some financial investments, or something is causing you to think that you are burdened by those decisions, guys, something of that sort. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel this is a, what to say, a destined thing that is happening in your life. This relationship with this person, or whatever is happening for some reason. Maybe it is karma that you are going through such changes. That may also be the energy here, guys. And for some of you all, you may have certain intuitive feeling towards certain decisions today. So when you have that, when you feel guided by your intuition, you have to take up that choice, guys. So that is also the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you may have a gut feeling about certain decisions, so you need to go forward with it, guys. And today you may get gifts also, or you may plan to gift your person, or they may come to gift you, or you may have people visiting you, something of that sort, guys. So and you are having a good time. That may also be the energy here. The overall energy, Sagittarius, is whatever you are contemplating on achieving, you are getting that in this relationship or in your work. So whatever it is, guys, things are manifesting the way you expected. So let us see what is the fairies guidance for us today, guys. Nautilus Princess, powerful personal growth. With this card, Sagittarius, it just denotes a great emotional and spiritual growth for us. So sometimes we need to step up our game, and we need to be really powerful to handle our situation, and still we need to be a good person at heart. So when we are that, when we are good, and we are, what to say, responsible, and we do things in a skilled manner, it just helps us to grow rapidly. So we need to take truth and wisdom as our true guides in life, and we have to realize the true potential we have within ourselves, guys. So that is the fairies message for us today, guys. And I'll be giving the message from your person. This is your love message from your person, guys, or what you feel about your person. So you always wish for my success. So this person truly loves you, and they have good intentions towards you, guys, and they are really happy for your success or whatever you achieve in life. This is what they want to convey towards you, or this is what you want to convey towards them, guys. So you are really happy for them, happy how their life is unfolding. So that is the reading for today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.